Hi, I'm Diane Hendricks, chef and culinary nutritionist. And today I'm going to share some super versatile egg recipes. Eggs are not just for scrambling up at breakfast. They are a perfect addition to your meals as a topper, a side dish, or even a focal point. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse with just one large egg containing 6 grams of high quality protein, all 9 essential amino acids, all for just 70 calories. So I want to show you some of my favorite egg dishes where I was thinking out of the box. First off, we have sushi using egg whites instead of rice or cauliflower. Never been done before, just came right out of here. Using eggs as a taco shell. Great way to cut down on calories and kick up nutrition. In here, I have some shredded grilled chicken, a little cotija cheese, some lettuce, some salsa, and cilantro. It's absolutely amazing. Squeeze a little bit of lime on top. You got yourself a really great meal. Over here, we have a turkey burger with a little friend of an egg on top. It adds such a wonderful, delicious flavor. And once that egg breaks, it's all oozy and yummy and delicious. And over here, deviled eggs. Deviled eggs are a super quick snack. Don't throw out the yolk. The yolk contain a lot of nutrients like choline, vitamin D, B12, selenium, and more than 40% of the protein in the egg. Now, I want to share one of my favorite recipes with eggs, crab cake Benedict. This is a really awesome way to have breakfast for dinner. Eggs are super affordable and nutritious, and they are awesome. So here's all you do. We've got 2 eggs that I'm going to beat up here. And then we're going to add a little non-fat Greek yogurt. It's got a little thickness to it, which is going to build it up. Cilantro, which I love. You can put in as much as you want, heavy or light. Some chives. Yum. Some cumin. Some chili powder. It's like a mild kick with a delicious flavor. We have some parsley and a pinch of salt and some lime juice. Just the sound of all that together is just amazing. So we're gonna mix that all up and get it nice and incorporated together. Now we have a bowl of crab meat and we're gonna add all this together. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. And then we're gonna mix this all together, get it nice and incorporated. And because we have the eggs and we have the lime juice and the yogurt, it's gonna give off a little bit of water, but you want nice, firm crab cakes. So what we're gonna do, or what you're gonna do, is once this is all incorporated, we're gonna put this into a colander. And then stick it in the refrigerator and let it just sit. Overnight is the best, but you can sit it for a couple of hours because you want all that water to come out. Okay, now we're gonna make an avocado relish. Super simple, lots of flavor, lots of nutrition. We're starting with some red bell pepper, adding a little bit of jalapeno, depending on the heat you like. I like a lot of heat. Some diced red onion, cilantro, I love it. Lime juice, a hit of black pepper, freshly ground, and some kosher salt. We're gonna mix that up and then add just a hit of olive oil. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna score this avocado and then just get under a little corner of it and then it all comes out. Okay, so then you're just gonna add this all together, incorporate it all together. Oh my gosh, now it looks like avocado salsa. Okay, so the crab cakes have rested in the refrigerator and given off quite a bit of liquid. And now we're gonna form them. So it depends on how you wanna make them. You can make mini crab cakes for appetizers or larger ones, but for the Benedict, I liked it to kind of be the same size as the poached egg that's gonna be sitting on top. And there you go. And you're gonna do this for all of the crab cakes. Okay, so we've got some oil. We're just gonna put the crab cake in. Oh, that's the sound you wanna hear. And you're gonna go for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Okay, so now it's time to plate it. This is so delicious. So you have this wonderful crab cake with no filler, all kinds of flavor in it. Then we're gonna top a big heaping scoop of the avocado relish. Don't worry about getting it on the side. Just make a nice big scoop on top. And then we're gonna top it with a poached egg, a perfectly poached egg, and then a little chipotle mayo. You can just do a chipotle sour cream. or like a little hollandaise, add a little bit on the top, and then just a hit of cilantro. And there you have it.